Hey everyone, today we're going to do something a little different. Something that needed to be addressed, something that needed to be repaired and replaced. This week we were alerted to a safety issue with our RV that we weren't even aware of. So hang around as we tackle this safety issue and make this quick and pretty simple repair that will keep you and your family safe this camping season. All right, first off, I have to say I am no professional. I am just an RV user, and I am taking you guys along with me as I make this repair. It's pretty simple, and we were just alerted to it this week. We had just been camping last weekend in an RV with no issue whatsoever. And then earlier this week, my wife came out into the driveway to get into the car and heard this loud beeping coming from the RV. She proceeded to investigate and came inside to discover that the carbon monoxide liquid propane sensor that in our rig is here at the stair step below the bed down towards the floor was, let's just say, malfunctioning. That's where the alert was coming from. That's where the loud beeping was coming from, was from this sensor right here. What was nice about this issue is she pretty quickly discovered what needed to happen, because right on the monitor it states what the various alerts mean. Green is on, so when the green light is on, the unit is on. Red is the alarm. Red and green is a fault. Red flashing and then green flashing means it's the end of the life of the monitor. And that was the case for us. So we ordered the new monitor. This happens to be made by Safety Alert. This flush mount RV, liquid propane, and carbon monoxide alarm. In order to first do the removal of the old alarm and the install of the new alarm, I need to turn off the power to that unit, which there is in our rig. Just as you come in the door, this switch right here that basically can turn off the battery and the power. So we went ahead and just flipped that off. Now we have no lights in here, no power to anything. Everything's off. Okay, so I have to make sure that I get this right, because the white wire here is the black and the yellow wire is going to have to be connected to the red. As you can see, the date on this is October 18, 2019. So again, that is definitely past the lifespan of this unit. The new one here, September 29th, 2025. And I'm going to go ahead and reconnect it with some little different connectors. That way, next time it needs to be replaced, the RV end, I can just unplug and I'll only have to reconnect some new connectors on the detector side. it's actually getting power. This might be a good time to read the directions. See what the different blinking lights. So green is on, but it's green blinking right now. So I got to check out what that means. Okay, guys, it's blinking green right now. It says each time the unit is first powered up, the CO sensor requires a 10-minute initial warm-up period to clean the sensor element and achieve stabilization. The green LED indicator will flash on and off during the 10-minute warm-up period. This unit cannot go into a carbon monoxide alarm during the warm-up period. To test your unit during the warm-up period, press the test button. After the warm-up period, the green power on indicator should glow continuously. So I think we're going to go ahead and just mount it, and then we'll just stick around here to make sure that it ultimately ends up solid green. So that was the install of the safety alert carbon monoxide and liquid propane sensor. Obviously, if yours is working and if you test it and it's still going, obviously the date is on the back. If you wanted to check to see, how much longer you've got, you can always unscrew it and see what the stamp on the back says. But otherwise, I hope you guys live and learn. There's so many different components and features and appliances in most of our RVs and trailers that yeah, I mean, I knew that was there. I knew we had the alert, but just had no idea that it needed to be replaced. So, and there we go. It's solid green. So all is good. Give it a little test. There you go. Thanks for joining, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode of The Rolling Escape.